So we're going to do the 4-6 homework together. So we're going to do it all. So let's get going. For problem number 1, it says to solve for x. So our goal is to rearrange this equation. So let's subtract 2 from both sides. And then to get that logarithm completely alone, let's divide by 3. Now we're going to do what we have done in the past. We're going to identify the base, the number, and the power, and we're going to take and put it in exponential form. And so the number x is 10 to a power of y minus 2 over 3. And that's it. You've solved for x. You can't do anything else. Let's do number 2. We're solving for x, so let's add y to both sides. Let's divide by 2. And then what's going to get rid of an e? Well, it's going to be a natural log. And so I'm going to write it over here. So the natural log of e to the 2x equals the natural log of that fraction. And then this is going to cancel. So we're just going to get that 2x equals the natural log of that 6 plus y over 2 fraction. And then divide by 2. So x is the natural log of that yucky fraction, all divided by 2. Now, I don't really know what that is, so just leave it. Now we have a word problem to do. Let's go ahead. So this is a compounding continuously problem. It says that we have invested $12,000 for 3 years, and it's going to become $12,934.61. We're going to calculate the rate over 3 years to the nearest tenth of a percent. So our A is our final amount, $12,934.61. Our P is our starting amount, $12,000. Our time is 3. Our rate is our unknown. So let's plug everything in. So we're going to get 12,934.61 equals 12,000 times e to the r times 3, which is 3r. Oh, r times t, I'm sorry, 3t. So we're going to need to get that e to the 3t by itself. So we're going to divide both sides by 12,000. So 12,934.61 divided by 12,000. I'm going to try to leave that decimal, a very long decimal. We get 1.077884, should be enough. Now we're going to stick a natural log on both sides so that the e will cancel out. So this is going to cancel. So that leaves me 3t. So we have 3t equals the natural log of 1.077884. And so t is that natural log all divided by 3. Now we want to round that to the nearest tenth of a percent. So the natural log of 1.077884 all divided by 3 is 0.025. When changed to that to a percent, that's 2.5%. See how it's the nearest tenth? And so that is the percentage. And then says, how long will it take to reach 14,000? Okay, and we're going to round that to the nearest tenth. So now we know our amount is going to be 14,000. Our P is still the 12,000 we started with. We don't know the time, how long, but we do know our rate. So let's plug everything in. So 14,000 equals 12,000 times e to the 0.025t. And so first thing you want to do is divide off the 12,000. We get 1.166 repeating. Now when I put that into the calculator, I am going to really write it out pretty long. So I'll put a lot of sixes in. And then we're going to stick a natural log on both sides. And the E is going to cancel. And so this is going to cancel. So we get the natural log of 1.166 repeating is 0.025t. And so time is just going to be the division of those things. And so rounding to the nearest tenth, let me do that for you. So the natural log of that decimal divided by 0.025 is 6.2 years. So it takes 6.2 years for our investment to reach $14,000. So there is your 4.6 homework. I hope this helped explain it a little bit more, and you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.